Alright, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my January BoxyCharm. So this is the base box and I got it last Friday and I just didn't have time to unbox it over the weekend because I went to my parents. So I am just filming this unboxing for you guys right now. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up. Okay. So the first thing I see is the insert card. This month's theme is Fresh Start. I think this is for the new year. Very pretty pink details. And shoot, I don't know what variation I got because it's not like the simple numbers anymore, but I got C21010332-BA. If that means something, maybe it doesn't. And anyways, I'm just gonna start out opening what's in my box. So the first item that I see, I'm very excited about because I love getting skincare in BoxyCharm. It's one of my favorite things to get. It is the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. So comes with this cute cardboard packaging with little papayas on it. Paraben free, formaldehyde free, synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, and cruelty free. So let me just open it up right now. A little bit tough to open. Okay, so opened it up. And it comes in this frosted glass bottle, which is so cute. And let me see what it says on the card. So it says, this is an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oils without overstripping the skin. Ideal for combination, oily, or acne-prone skin. And my skin is combination, so perfect. I am so excited to try this out, and this retails for $28. The next item I see I'm also excited about because it's more skincare. It is the Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And let me just open this up. I know Dr. Brandt is a pretty expensive brand. Just comes in this little tube. Let me just open it with just a little squeeze tube. Some eye creams come with like a little kind of like bevel that you could just kind of massage the eye cream under. So this is just one that you squeeze out on your fingers and tap in, I think. Or you can squeeze it beneath your eyes and tap in. Okay, so the card says this deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes for all skin types. And this retails for $82. Wow. I'm so excited to try that. I feel like you are never too young for an eye cream just because I think the eyes are one of the first areas that start to show signs of aging. Okay, so the next item I see is this Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, and I have never heard of this brand. Just opening it up, it comes in this little squeeze tube, and this has the applicator that I was kind of talking about with like the eye cream. That's standard for lip products, but sometimes they put it on eye products as well. And let me see what it says here. For instructions, it says, in cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. So this probably has some type of oils or waxes that solidify at a pretty high temperature. And let me read what it says here. It says, essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. And I always have crusty lips, so I will never turn down a lip balm. And okay, I have two more items left in this box. I think they're both makeup products. So the first one I see here is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo in Heart of Gold. So I'm kind of surprised to see this because I thought Laura Geller went out of business or was discontinued because I think they left Ulta if I remember correctly, or maybe I'm thinking of something else. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if I'm wrong. But anyways, it comes in this little duo. I think this is a lighter shade of gold and this is a deeper shade of gold. So this will be interesting to try out. I have a lot of highlighters, but honestly, like, girl can never have too much highlight. So I really like a gold shade too whenever I'm rocking a warmer eye. And it says here that this Illuminator Duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. The left shade shimmer is a soft glow light of crushed pearl, and the right shade sparkle is a high intensity sparkle that looks like as though it was plucked from the night sky. So this one is shimmer, the soft low light, And then this is Sparkle, the high intensity one. So that'll be interesting to try out, or I think it is. I'm so bad at reading the packaging whenever they put like the colors on the back because I can never tell if it's like as it is in the packaging from behind or if it's like mirrored, you know? I don't know, maybe I'm the only one with that problem, but kind of confusing. I'll see when I try it out. And the last item I have is a Ciaté London product. It is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Velvet Palette 12 shade eyeshadow palette. So let me just read the description as I'm opening this up. It says create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. And I was super impressed with the last Ciaté London palette we got in BoxyCharm that I'm so excited to try this if I can get the box open. I don't know what it is with me and opening boxes today that I'm just struggling with. It comes in this soft touch matte packaging, which is so pretty. And let me just open her up. Wow, these look so soft and buttery. Just even looking at them in the pan right now, I can tell like this is going to be a very soft formula. Hopefully it's super pigmented. And shoot, maybe I want to swatch one. I'll just swatch it right now. What color do I want to swatch? So I see like this really shimmery color, but I almost kind of want to swatch like this purple. Wow, it feels so soft in the pan. And this is what it just looks like on my finger. If I want to swatch it on my hand's a little dry, so hopefully that doesn't affect the swatch, but ooh, that is so pretty. And it went on so smooth. I just passed a little bit back and forth. I don't know if that makes much of a difference, but I'm actually super excited to try that palette. And that palette retails for $30, and it is a new launch, so BoxyCharm gets it first. All right, that is it for my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of January. I hope you enjoyed it. If you get BoxyCharm too, let me know what variation and products you got in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina, and I upload 3 times a week. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.